So, you like what you see? Anyways, today we'll be making egusi and we'll be making it as easy as possible. So, someone asked me the other day if it's a must you make egusi with tomatoes, and I was like, no, it's not a must you add tomato to your egusi actually. And she was like, she wants me to make egusi without tomato, and she wants me to make it as easy as possible. So today we're going to be making one of the easiest egusi you'll find on the internet. So now you're going to start by adding red oil to your pot on fire. Once your red oil is hot enough, you're going to add your onions to the oil on fire. Now you're going to stir the onions and allow it fry, like allow it fry well. And once your onions is well fried, you're going to go in with your egusi. So now you're just going to add your egusi and you're going to mix the egusi up with your oil and onions. You're just going to stir everything up and make sure it doesn't burn. Make sure your fire is on low heat. So now I'll be adding my pomo. I have peppered pomo, so I'm going to be adding it now to the soup. So if you have any fish, stock fish you want to scatter in the soup, meat, pomo, any of the above, you can add it now. And then you can also feel free to go in with your pepper also. Now I'm actually going to stir and mix everything up together. So now if you have any stock water, now is the time to go in with your stock water. So I'm just going to add the water I got from cooking my fish. So that was what I added to the soup. And now, like I would always say, because of the fact that your stock water carries seasoning, you have to be sure of the right amount of seasoning inside that stock water that you added to your soup before adding more seasoning. So for this, we are going to add maggi and we're going to add salt to it. And trust me, it is the right amount because I already know the amount of seasoning cube and salt I added to my water I used in cooking my fish. So it is exactly the right amount. So you have to be sure of it so that your salt or your maggi is actually not too much in the soup. So if your egusi is getting very thick and you don't want it thick, you can be adding water bit by bit. So after adding salt and seasoning cube, the next thing I added was pepper, spicy pepper. We are not going to be using too much spice for this soup because we want to make it as easy as possible. But if you have other spices you want to add to the soup, feel free to add them to the soup. So now I'm going to go in with my fish. Like I'm going to go in with my fish. So yeah, that's what I'll be adding. So after adding all your spice, adding my fish, and now the next thing I'm going to add is my leaf. So the leaf is what we're adding last. So for this soup I'll be using ugu leaf. So that is what we are going to add last to the soup. If you've gotten to this place and you've not subscribed or you've not liked, please, I would like to beg you to help us like the video if you're enjoying the video, and help us subscribe if you've not. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that when next we post videos you will be notified. So like I said, I'll be adding my ugu last. So this is the ugu I added to the soup. And now I'm just going to allow it cook till everything is ready. I'm going to allow my ugu cook till it is ready. So yeah, as you can see, our soup is ready, and trust me, you can eat this with anything. You can take it with eba, you can take it with pounded yam, swallow, fufu, any of the above. Anyways, I'll be making an ASMR video with this, so feel free to come and watch. I'll be eating fufu with my own, and I'm going to be making a video with it. So as you can see, I know you feel like eating it, but too bad, this is for me and me alone, like me alone. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Bye. See you on the next video. Bye bye.